Hi, this is Melissa. I think my biggest kind of breakthrough with this last Colt starting was the desensitizing, because I don't believe I'd ever fully got that. And then when we finally got that figured out and I was doing it a little more properly and the way she would just melt, I found that quite unbelievable how now just anything is just almost like melting. So that was a big part of it. And then if I just look at my 3-year-old now, who I've been taking out to some that I used in the Colt starting last year, to some gymkhanas and that, where you play some different games, and kind of what you were commenting on, because of that one ring guiding, their ability to neck rein so early in their training is, it's quite impressive. And so you're able to kind of maneuver whatever sort of gymkhana game it is, if you have to be, riding with one hand, because they just guide so nicely. And people find it quite shocking that you're on a 3-year-old. So yeah, that would be kind of my thing.